Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my aguachiles. I know this is like not the right way, but no cooking is the right way, you know what I mean? I actually like to boil my shrimp, so this is just kind of my take. I'm not an expert at cooking, so this is just more like me showing you what I like to do. So yeah, I start off with some shrimp. I'm doing about 30 shrimp and I'm just boiling them for about 30 seconds and just moving the pan from there to kind of let them chill for about 3 more minutes, and you can see kind of the shape they get. They're supposed to be looking something like this. You're gonna need cilantro, avocado, cucumber, about 8 limes or 10 depending how many you're doing, chile serrano, tostitos, black pepper, salt, red onion, Valentina, and all that. So I first start off by cutting my cucumber. I used one whole one and I used a bit of another one, which I'll show you later. I cut these into 9 slits, I guess you could say, and just chop them into kind of like small medium-ish cube looking things, and I put them on half of this glassware. I don't know, I'm just kind of meticulous with how my food looks, but don't worry, we will mix it up at the end. So I'm doing my red onion now, and I'm just chopping it into, again, kind of like the same sizes. I personally love a lot of onion, and so does my mom. So later I did actually go back in to cut up more onion. So for now, this is just what I'm showing you. So I go ahead and just put it on the opposite side. I always do this. I mean, I don't know. It's just what I like to do. I think it looks nice. It's like fun for me to do. So yeah. And by the way, this is the knife I'm using. It's like a little thing. I don't know. The brand is Kiwi. It's awesome. So you could get it on Amazon, I'm sure. So now I'm getting some lime and I'm first squeezing out the lime. As you can see, there's a lot whenever you stop squeezing it, if that makes any sense. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know any cooking terms. After they've been squeezed, I go ahead and use this to just kind of get the extra juice. And you would be surprised how much juice there's left on these limes after we supposedly like squeeze them. Yeah, I'll go ahead and show you how much juice I had left from these limes, which it's kind of a lot, like you see that. So I take this juice and I put it on, the whole cucumber and onion on there, just to kind of let them ferment in a way. So yeah, and I also do take sort of like the pulp of it and just kind of put it on there. I don't know, it just gives like a natural taste. I take my other lime juice that we squeeze, put in a good chunk of cilantro, and I go ahead and put my chile serranos. This is according to taste. I personally like to do 4, but my parents don't like so much. So I just added cucumber and avocado and some black pepper. For avocado, I only used like 1/3 of it. So yeah, and then I added it a little bit more water just so everything could be full. Blended that on my NutriBullet. Please excuse the stains on the NutriBullet. I have no clue what those are, but yeah, it should look something like this, like a liquidy green mint lime color. It's really weird. And I'm just gonna put that to the side because now we are gonna cut up our shrimp. I know a lot of people do like to just leave their size, but we like to eat them with like tostitos or like a salted cracker. So just to kind of like fit more, that's why. So I do cut them into like little pieces. I kind of usually get from 5 to like 7 pieces depending how big the shrimp is. So here I'm just cutting it up, and some sizes may be bigger, smaller, it doesn't really matter. And I really love making this. It only takes me about an hour to do, and it's just so awesome and great, especially now for how hot it is and the summer coming up. So I go ahead and just put that right in the middle, and then I go ahead and add the other thing that we blended, the lime, cilantro, avocado, and I do make sure that I leave a little bit left in there, and I put some more water to make sure I get the excess cilantro that's like stuck to the thing. And then I go ahead and just pat everything down, make sure everything's nice and coated, and add some more black pepper and some salt. I'm not big on salt, but yeah, I just add like a little bit, but I'm not like, I just don't like salt. So since my mom and I are big onion lovers, I did went ahead and added more red onion just because that's kind of what I like the most out of it. Yeah, I know, call me crazy, but that's just what we like. So as you can see, this is a blend of how it looks like when you mix it. And like I said, I do really like tostitos with them. So here I am putting some on a tostito, and then I take some avocado. This is just kind of like for picture purposes. Trust me, I don't take this long to prep just a chip with aguachiles every time I eat. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll be doing more cooking videos soon. Bye.